This is my honest review of Contadina Roma style tomatoes puree. I always like to show the calories. Its calories is 20 per serving. There's 7 servings per container, so it's 140 calories for the whole container. You got 1 gram of protein or 7 grams of protein for the whole can. There's 0 fat. Sugars. There's 4 grams of sugar, so in the whole can there would be 28 grams of sugar. All right, there it is. Contadina Tomato Puree, I use it all the time, is a high-quality product made from vine-ripened tomatoes that have been carefully selected and processed to create a smooth and flavorful puree. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of recipes, from pasta sauces to soups and stews. One of the benefits of Contadina tomato puree is that it's made with 100% natural ingredients and contains no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. It is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. However, I guess you always got to have a drawback. The drawback of Contadina tomato puree is that it can be pretty thick and may require some additional seasoning or thinning with water to achieve the desired consistency. This can be a downside for those who might prefer like a more watery tomato sauce. But it is a puree. I mean, you know what you're buying. So I don't really consider that maybe a drawback. Overall, Contadina tomato puree is a high quality, delicious ingredient that can enhance the flavor and nutrition of your favorite recipes. It is a great option for those who value natural and wholesome ingredients in their cooking. And I personally love the thickness of it. That's why I buy a puree. Go out and get yourself some Contadina tomato puree.